Hi everyone, so welcome to Power BI Playbook. So today I'm going to show a small tutorial that is to count rows accurately in Power BI tables using summarized column DAX. So let's see how we can use this DAX function to calculate the number of rows in different ways. So in my data source, we have company, country, and sales. So just to note, some of the combination of company and country in some rows it has been repeated. So that I have done it purposely because to demonstrate this tutorial well. So now I create a measure just to show this, and first I say count rows, and then here there's a DAX called count rows, and I just give the table as it is. Let's see what is the answer. Right, so then I create a small card and I put this measure. So it has 20, so meaning there are 20 rows in here. So now again I check this one, and now I use the summarized one. Count rows, summarized columns, right? I just give sheet 1 only the company here. So let's see what is our answer. It's 9, meaning now it shows the number of unique records for company. So in here there are unique companies, 9 unique companies exist. So that is how we get the unique count of one column. So now again I go to the X and then country, and I add another column here, sheet 1 country as well, right? So let's see the answer. So 17, meaning country and company combination has been repeated 3 times in here because it has total 20 rows. If there's a unique combination of company and country, then the count, this one with this DAX, the same row with combination of company and country will not be repeated. So this is the tutorial that how we can do count rows with summarized columns. Thanks for watching and keep in touch for more Power BI videos.